Hey, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so we're currently in a St.Anns Bay, but the view that we have right now, I wanted to start out the video and let you guys see what's happening. Like, the view is so nice. Babe right now is trying to get a picture.
A full view.
In a full. Anyway, people, if you're new, make sure to go ahead to like this video, leave a comment down below in the comment section, tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel. And if you're always watching a walk and big up on yourself, may I turn on the camera and you can see the view with audience talk about full.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on.
Guys, see the view here where audience is stupid. Oh my god, look at the beach. Like, I would want to live up. Audience, you're a loser. Definitely. I see you putting the loser finger over your head. Him. Guys, look at the view. This is the view from up top of St.Anns Bay. We don't know what up here the name and yang bike. So annoying. Quality video. Oh my god! What saw a meme? I said, which sound is the most annoying sound in the world? Which sound is the annoying sound in the world?
In Jamaica.
In Jamaica, yeah, in Jamaica.
No, them there.
Yang bike. Look how the bike just spoiled the whole thing a while ago. May I pull up my mask? The view is so lovely. Like, oh my god, the view. So we're in St.Anns Bay. We come at JPS. We come start up a little business because bills were going sky high. I mean, we say we not use the amount of money that they are sending. So we came to find out, hey, what's up? Why is the bill so sky high? But what happened was that they had the number on for 2 accounts, right? So we did get somebody bill, but so good that we weren't paying to somebody. We need to pay to the next person bill because our number is already on the account. So every time the money come out of the account, it go to the one come out of my account. Now that mean every time money come out of the account, the account where I pay the bill, it go to the one JPS account. So even though I get 2 bills for 2 different accounts, it did not make payment to only one. So as me say, with the St.Anns Bay, we are go down. Is this a town, B? Is this a town?
So, no. The town is so awesome, man.
Alright guys, we don't know if this is a town. We're going to show now. You have NCB right here, and then you have the Texaco gas station down there, so. And then you have people walk up and all of that. So we want to know, is this the town? We're not sure, but probably. Really not sure.
It looks up as a bank.
Where bank? Oh, but the bank being there in the town. So, yeah. I think this is the center or the square.
One clock, there's somewhere.
Like clock?
I think there's one clock, there's somewhere about there.
Okay, I saw we are go up the road up there. So. Up high place. Alright, so we'll go for NWC now because that is another drama we can't talk about. So we're walking up there and yeah, that's what's up. Why you can't let drop? Everywhere you go there's a madman on the road line. Watch here. Can you believe it? I wouldn't want to be him. So sad. Homeless?
Yes.
Well, that's true. So, what they're saying, some of them is not mad, they're just homeless, and that is definitely true because some people just don't have any home. So, we'll walk up to that direction because it's there. We'll go at the water commission. So, let you guys know what's up when we get there. Alright, guys, so we have the library, but there's a statue here of Marcus Garvey, and it's still a walk. Figures here. It's still a walk. Tired bus.
I capital for St.Ann also.
Oh my god, the sun hot tea, man. The sun hot bad. Jesus. My god, I don't want to put my hand in my face, but me a bun up. Oh my god. When you can know, it says PMP now rain. Look on the office here. the PNP officer, no go on with that thing. Not a thing, no go on over there. It just look like one junkyard. Him be. Oh God. Alright, which part then you say there? I wonder which part then you say there. So, we got another big blue wall there. More likely, I must down the road. Alright, so seem like we are fine what we're looking for. So we're gonna go down somewhere in the lane there, down on the road here. No, where? We want like a man a while ago walk. Okay, so they're down there. So the biggest struggle I face as an adult is not having a car. Honestly, to me, right now, it's one of the biggest struggles because you have so many. When you're an adult, you have so much places to go, and nobody knows there's a lot. God, you have so much places to go, and then you know, no car. You have to take taxi, go every single where. My God, it's crazy. It's rough, and I think why it's a struggle because other from the fact that you have so many places to go, it's like you having it. So okay, yeah, work. So why you can't buy yourself one car? You know, although you understand the whole reason why, but come on, road, babe. Understand the whole reason why, but you know, just the mental frame of it. All right. Whoa, oh, stick almost grab me. Reach me I go. Almost at least. Alright guys, so we got to the location, but they don't what? They're closed to the public. So you cannot go inside. What you have to do is come and write down your complaints and you put it on a paper and you get your part and somebody outside takes it in and assists you. But what he's saying that there are some things that cannot be done inside. Can you believe it? You come to the main office and them say you have to call on the phone or email or check online. Exactly, because we have been calling. Nobody's taking up the phone. Yeah, can you believe it? And the thing is that what I really hate is that this is the reality, but I really hate it. Did you know that the phone companies, they are connected to all these business places in, we're gonna say Jamaica, can't relate to Jamaica. When you call and then put up on this long way to fill out with advertisement, it's benefiting the phone company, and more like the business place I get profit out of it, don't it? Yeah, I don't even know, but it's benefiting the phone company and not us, the customer, because we call, nobody picks up. Your credit done, you have to go back and buy one either Lime or Diesel credit, whichever company you're with, and at the end of the day you don't get a result of what you want. Exactly. But then again, in this country, who is going to challenge NWC?
No, but even if they try to challenge them, government itself will get rid of them. Like get rid of somebody who tries to challenge them.
Oh, because this is a government owned, you know. Yeah, this is government owned. Like different from JPS. JPS is owned by I think some Japanese, Chinese, some race. Yeah, it's a private sector, and NWC is public sector. So yeah, that's it. And you know, so also with that being said, baby, you know that that's why even though JPS is kind of high, them provide them customers with better service in terms of making sure customers get what they want, because the private sector
different from the calling business.
Yeah, the calling business part sucks. That part really sucks. So we're standing outside waiting on the man to come back to see if we're going to get any response to the issues that we're having, because honestly we're having a big issue. Not going to talk about it, but it's a drive me crazy. I would have really liked some answers because we paid our fare to come down here. So yeah, we're waiting. The man come on now, so yeah.
I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it.
Alright, so people, we're at Burger King, and Burger King is hosting a special. You get 2 Whopper Junior, which is down here. So, now see, our 2 original sandwich for $850. So, if you're a Burger King lover, then you can go and feast. But on the other hand, we have to teleport the door and wait because the line inside is long, and them don't want the clustering, and they don't know the thing are going with COVID already. In Jamaica, the cases are sky high. Yep. So we have to stand up outside and wait. In the sun, them not even provide one shed for you, but I say, you know, and treat it like, I don't know about this more while out here, but you know, still have to go and do the thing still. Anyway, so I'm going to do this, I'll go Little Caesars to get pizza. So, yeah, and we're back in the ocean. I remember me said that. So we're back in ocean with all of that. So yeah, that's what's going on. I keep on touch my face, but oh my god.
Touch your man phone.
I'm gonna touch my phone. Yeah, give me some sanitizer. But man, if you man, I didn't listen to him, man. So this taxi man, guys, he begged me. Hold on, I sanitize man. Hold on, I tell him the little story about the taxi man now. The man, he come like, hey, woman, I want woman where he man, you didn't listen to him?
Yeah.
Like he have one woman and him and the woman now work with that woman, but I want him or I don't know where he really go. But it's like he can get back the woman number for one piece of paper. Right? So he might drive and him want yeah, come over here. And him want the lady number back in him phone. So he might drive and he can't really do it. So here I'm now. He can't put in a number here for me anyway if I enter the number. I think of something serious, you know, and the man will call somebody. The man will put in the number for call one woman and tell him, oh, you know, so I still love Stacy. And all of that, and whatever. And then give me back the phone now if I can save this as Stacy number 4. So, Grizzly, that means it's Stacy, every minute Stacy give him one number.
You realize you want to sit there, get the number after?
Oh, so you come make him keep on a try. Yeah, you're be able to say me. So you can make him get Stacy number and Stacy probably a block him. And he finally get one way if you contact Stacy. Anyway, that's what's up. We're going inside Burger King now, so yeah.
Alright guys,
so they have another deal right here, breakfast deal. I think what's that? You get coffee or chocolate, tea, I should assume. Yeah, and right now you cannot eat in here, so this is what's happening, but you can eat outside. And the best thing about it, Burger King is the only place right now that gives you Wi-Fi. You know that, right? Which KC? No? Over there, so no? But we can't access enough, so we have people work there. Yeah, only if people work KFC or the end of the KFC get Wi-Fi too, because we say Burger King is the only place to get Wi-Fi you can actually use. But only people who work they seem to can use KFC Wi-Fi. So, yeah, that's what's popping right now. Where we found meal in a Burger King. Yeah, them card machine now, so we had to come in here, go on machine and come back. So yeah, thumbnail. I'm gonna try my fun thumbnail. We are now at Little Caesar. One. Alright, so we're eating the harder option. So regular cheese pizza, party meal, and all of that. Here and about 15 I can already like the. So guys, some of the pieces already taken out, but this is the Little Caesar pizza. It's pepperoni and what over here some part again. I don't remember. Some stick. It says some stick something, and then we just added pineapple topping on it. So, and this is the I top the burger. This is the burger and everything just mixed up in a one right here. So yeah, we're going to have dinner right now. This is dinner, and we're going to end up the video. So until another video, guys, we'll see you. And oh, for the babes, where dip there? Where dip? We got we got some butter garlic flavor dip with we bought this separate, but it came with the marinara sauce. Yeah, so this is the end of the video, guys. See you in another video. Babes, end of the video for me. That's the end of the video. Tell them to what.
Like, share, comment. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead.
Peace out, guys. Bye.